Hello, I'm Raphael Brown. I'm the European Education Business Development Manager, and I look after the whole of the education business in Europe, Middle East, Africa, and India for Keysight Technologies. One of my education customers has a lab of leading scientists exploring LiFi technology. LiFi, unlike Wi-Fi, uses light as opposed to radio to transmit data. This revolutionary technology offers 1,000 times the bandwidth of Wi-Fi, and its future opportunities are endless. My customer needed to set up a new lab to perform cutting-edge experimentation that would measure more than 1 terabyte per second data rates at distances of up to 1 kilometers for their new optical devices. They were moving and expanding their lab and needed a seamless transition. They required equipment that's interoperable as well as easy to integrate into their existing automated workflows using programs such as MATLAB. They did not want to recode their programs at all. The research team needed to prove the signal integrity of their devices with papers showcasing repeatable and reproducible procedures of how they tested their designs. And as we all know in academia, their papers were scheduled to be presented at various upcoming conferences. So it was paramount that moving their lab went smoothly and to schedule. The customers wanted us to focus on characterizing frequency responses of receivers and transmitters of their optical devices. They are highly skilled and planned on setting up their own lab from all various components they thought they needed from different vendors. They had a deep engineering knowledge of their optical device and the principles of test. However, their focus and passion were mainly on their devices and not test and measurement. The customer needed more than just the specifications of their equipment. They needed an application-specific solution. We were the only vendor who offered an end-to-end total solution. We jointly defined a test system that included instruments, software, cabling, test fixtures, expertise, and more. We set up the lab to their schedule. We trained their scientists. We offered 5 years of Keysight Care enhanced support to ensure that they could get exclusive access to Keysight support knowledge base and web portal, committed technical support to answer their unique test questions, and get committed turnaround for both repairs and calibrations so that they could proactively plan according to their schedule. And with 5 days expedited calibrations, they were confident that their instruments performed to specifications. As an education customer, we gave them equipment worth hundreds of thousands of dollars through Keysight's business-focused equipment program for universities, also known as BEPU, to expand their equipment list and capabilities. To ensure that they were up and running as quickly as possible, we included with the solution at no additional cost 3 days of on-site startup assistance, plus we'll be presenting advanced technical talks and seminars to their students and scientists to help accelerate the pace of bridging the knowledge gap in the use and applications of the test equipment offered. And in the end, the customer was really pleased that they were able to actually get more than they bargained for and reach beyond their budget for their equipment, which enabled them to prepare for their conference in time and deliver some great outstanding results. In the end, the customer was really, really pleased that we went above and beyond just selling them the equipment, and we just showcased that we were there to help whenever they needed.